We're gonna make meatloaf with Cajun mashed potatoes. For the potatoes, we're gonna use 5 pounds of Yukon Gold. We're gonna cut them up into chunks. Just like that, fill with water. To make the Cajun seasoning, we're gonna add in about 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, some black pepper, and Sally's salt. Mix this around and then set it aside. And then we're going to start making our meatloaf. To a large bowl, we're going to add 2 eggs, about 3/4 cup milk, then 3/4 cup Italian style breadcrumbs. We're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to cook about a medium onion in butter over medium heat for about 5 minutes until it's soft. Then add about 2 pounds ground beef, the cooked onions, about 1 tablespoon of ketchup, a little Italian seasoning, and then about a couple shakes of the parsley. Mix this all up until it's all combined. Form it into a loaf like this. Then put it into a preheated 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. When the meatloaf's cooking, we're going to combine about 1/2 cup of chili sauce. If it'll come out, there you go. That's a little more. About 1/2 cup of ketchup. A little more than 1/2 cup since we put a lot of. And then I would say about 2 tablespoons brown sugar. And then mix that up until it's all combined and set it aside. This will be your glaze for the meatloaf. And after about 40 minutes, we're going to take the meatloaf out. Then we're gonna just take the glaze and cover this whole thing up. Back in the oven for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to, pretty foggy, but there we go. We're gonna remove it and let it sit for at least 10 minutes before we slice into it. Then we're gonna drain the potatoes. Then put it back in the hot pot, and we're gonna mash all this together over low heat. We're gonna add in 2 sticks of butter, block of cream cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, and then about a tablespoon worth of the Cajun seasoning. And we're going to add a little bit of Lori's seasoned salt. And then mash some more.